Hi guys, today we're discussing Software Engineers and Designers or NOC code 2173. This NOC code 2173 is also part of the global talent stream, which means that employers can benefit from faster processing if they want to recruit foreign workers who have this NOC. Lead statement. Software engineers and designers research, design, evaluate, integrate, and maintain software applications, technical environments, operating systems, embedded software, information warehouses, and telecommunications software. They are employed in information technology consulting firms, information technology research and development firms, and information technology units throughout the private and public sectors. Or they may be self-employed. Example titles. Some of the relevant titles for this NOC 2173 are Application Architect, Computer Software Engineer, Embedded Software Engineer, Software Architect, Software Design Engineer, Software Design Verification Engineer, Software Designer, Software Systems Integration Engineer, Software Technical Architect, Software Testing Engineer, Telecommunications Software Engineer. So you don't need to have the word software engineer in your job title. You could have a different job title, but as long as your lead statement matches about 100% with the lead statement I described earlier, you will choose this NOC. Some of the titles which are excluded from NOC 2173 are Computer and Information Systems Managers. That's a different NOC. Computer Engineers, Computer Programmers and Interactive Media Developers, Database Analysts and Data Administrators, Electrical and Electronics Engineers, Information Systems Analysts and Consultants, Information Systems Testing Technicians, Web Designers and Developers. All of these have different NOC codes. So if you belong to one of these occupations, it would be best to choose that NOC in your immigration application. Otherwise, your application may be denied. Main duties. So someone with a NOC of 2173 should be performing most of these duties. Collect and document users' requirements and develop logical and physical specifications. Research, evaluate, and synthesize technical information to design, develop, and test computer-based systems, including mobile applications. Develop data, process, and network models to optimize architecture and to evaluate the performance and reliability of designs. Plan, design, and coordinate the development, installation, integration, and operation of computer-based systems, including mobile applications. Assess, test, troubleshoot, document, upgrade, and develop maintenance procedures for operating systems, communications environments, and application software. May lead and coordinate teams of information systems professionals in the development of software and integrated information systems, process control software, and other embedded software control systems. Employment requirements. A bachelor's degree, usually in computer science, computer systems engineering, software engineering, mathematics, or a completion of a college program in computer science is usually required. A master's or a doctoral degree in related discipline may be required at times. Licensing by a provincial or territorial association of professional engineers is required to approve engineering drawings and reports and to practice as a professional engineer, or PEng as it's known in Canada. So you don't have to be a PEng, but if you're approving engineering drawings or reports, then you do need to be a PEng. Engineers are eligible for registration following graduation from an accredited educational program, 3 or 4 years of supervised work experience in engineering, and passing of a professional practice examination. Experience as a computer programmer is usually required. So although it's very important that your lead statement should match almost 100% with the lead statement I described earlier, and the duties listed on your employment letter that you will get for the purpose of immigration should match about 70% with the duties I mentioned earlier. But having said that, I will warn you that if you try to copy paste the text of the lead statement or the duties, the immigration officer might seriously doubt your experience letter. So make sure that you're honest when you ask your employers for an experience letters and you do not forge this document. Now let's look at the number of jobs. Let's do a quick search on LinkedIn. If I type software engineer on LinkedIn and choose my country as Canada, I can see 16,594 results right now. So basically almost 16,500 jobs are currently open in Canada for software engineers. Now let's head over to Indeed.ca, which is one of the largest job databases in Canada. And when I type software engineer on Indeed.ca, I get 7,750 jobs. Like I always say, not all of these jobs will be relevant. Some of these will be spam. Some of these might be fraudulent. But still, overall, 7,750 is a big number. That is probably one of the reasons why this NOC code 2173 is also included in the global talent stream, because a lot of organizations, a lot of talented growing organizations need software engineers to grow. And the government of Canada wants to support those organizations, those companies, those businesses to hire foreign nationals with this experience. If I search the wages of a software engineer in Canada, in Canadian dollars per hour, on the lower side, they get $26.92 per hour. The median wage is $43.27 per hour. And on the higher side, it is $66.83 per hour. And if you're wondering which province is one of the best places to work as a software engineer, in terms of wages, Ontario has the highest per hour wage. On average, it is $72 per hour. That is probably because in Ontario, there are a lot of people and there are a lot of businesses and there's a lot of competition to hire software engineers. So in order to remain competitive, the employers do have to pay a better wage. If you found this video to be helpful, please do subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you very much.